I'm Danny S4E, something for everyone, and we are going on a 5-day camping trip. I'm here with my family, Jason Mahan. What up? Amber. Let's go catch some fish. Okay, so we're almost there. Man, I'm super excited. I can't wait for this 5-day fishing non-stop. We have brought everything but the kitchen sink. Me and my buddy Jason, got my wife with me, Megan, Jason's wife, Amber. We are about to have a blast. He brought his boat, I brought my boat. Both of them are John boats. He's got a fiberglass, I got aluminum. We've brought a ton of fishing equipment. Trout lines, limb lines, fishing poles, jugs, and a ton of bait. A ton of cut bait, a ton of chum. We are gonna chum one part of the water with catfish chum, bottom feeder chum. We're gonna chum one part of the lake with carp bait, carp chum. We're fishing for whatever we can catch. If we catch a turtle, we're gonna show that on video. So, but yeah, about to have an amazing time. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Man, thank you for all the support that everyone's ever shown to me. Channel just keeps climbing, subscribers climbing, and I'm just happy. I'm happy I'm here on this camping trip, and I can't wait to get there because we finna boom bust them, baby.
One of them.
This is one of them. This is number what?
This is number 5. The next one's number 6, and then number 7. So you just take your pick, whichever one. We're gonna ride down through there and pick one.
Okay. Get to pick what you can. We reserved 3 side by side. What was the numbers?
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. So we get to decide what we want to do. 3 campsites. Here we go. This is the first one. It's a good looking one. We reserved this one. It's a good looking campsite. We're not gonna park there, but we are gonna use it. This is the second one. This is a good looking one. This is where we're gonna post up. We're gonna post up here and fish the reserved campsite to the left and the reserved campsite to the right, which would be this next one coming up. Yeah, it's a good looking one too. Oh yeah, right. All right, well, it's the next day. We set up camp all day yesterday, all night. I didn't want to bore y'all with setting up. I'm just going to give you a shot of what we got. Got the campfire going on, got everything going on. Set up down by the water. Got Jason already getting things together. Now, we were able to go out last night and set 4 trot lines baited with cut bait, brim, cut up brim on every hook, 4 of them, and they're out there right now, and they sat out there overnight, and we're about to go check them. Jason, how many hooks do we got in all?
100.
Out there?
Yeah, 96 to 100.
96 to 100 hooks out.
We forgot to put our dog food out. Start on the furthest one down.
Anyone you want to start on?
That's straight across.
Sounds good to me.
Straight across.
The way that we baited them. baited up 4 coves last night. Went to 4 different coves, 3 different coves. I put 2 trot lines together on 1 cove. I'm gonna go check them out. Never know. So we've made it to our first tag, first trot line in that cove there. You see my tag over there floating. We're pulling in now, me and Jason. 24 hooks on this one. 24 hooks on this one. We are camped out across the lake over there. We made it over here. The wind's up a little bit. We're gonna see if there's anything on it. 24 hooks. Baited with cut bait, brim, tail, body, and head. We're coming up on the trot line now. A good area, a good payoff. We may pick it up, we may move it, but we've got 3 more to check after this one. Let's just see what this one holds. We're coming up on it now. There's my tag. So we're up on the trot line now. Not really feeling anything. But then again, this is where it was in the trees, Jason. Remember we left it in the tree?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we had to pull it out past the tree and then tie the hook.
We're just gonna work our way down. It's kind of windy out. We ran this across. I feel something. I feel something.
Oh wait.
I don't feel nothing.
Huh.
Oh, wait. There it is.
Oh, we got
one.
one.
Something. We do have something on. Not nothing big. Something. So we know they're here, Jason.
They here. Might need to use him for cut bait.
Do what? Use them as cut bait?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Yes,
Bring
sir.
the camera closer so we can see a beautiful cat. What is that, Jason? Channel?
Yeah, I believe that's a channel.
All right.
He's pretty.
Yeah, he is.
Okay.
That's gonna be it. I don't think we should bait this one up. It's got enough bait on it.
All right.
Drop it back.
10, 4.
Let me see that camera. All right, well, there you go.
One fish.
Yeah, 1 on that one. We got 3 more to go.
Yeah, the next one's got 50.
The next one's got 50 hooks. We'll decide what we're gonna do with them. We are just catching and releasing, but we will need bait, so we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with this one. Anything big, or if we do catch something big, we'll release it. On to all right, trot line number 2, cove number 2. We are at Clark Hill, J. Strom Thurman. We're camped out 5 days, fishing. Got a lot more action coming your way today. About to go set. We had to set up camp last night, so a bunch of jugs, limb hooks, everything's coming. You guys just stay tuned. Trot line number 2, cove number 2. Jason? Took the boat out at 4 a.m. last night, set 4 trot lines, 24 hooks apiece, baited with cut bait, brim that I caught out of a small pond before we came here. We're about 2 hours from the house. We're at Hiil right now. Trot line number 2. Now this one here runs over there to the small shrubbery trees that are growing out of the water, almost like that island. Here, Jason, I'll take it from here. Grab the paddle. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we got something off the rip.
It's gonna be a good cove here.
We got a gar. Check it out,
big
Jason.
old
We got
gar.
a badass gar.
Oh man. Oh, that's cool. Let's you wanna get that net together right quick?
Yeah, just keep filming this. Just hold on. Oh, we got,
we got another
we got a
one.
monster flathead.
Nice.
Huh?
It's gonna be a good cove.
Oh yeah, we got a monster flathead. Just keep filming, Jason. Let's see,
where's it? Here you go.
give me them things.
Oh well.
Huh.
Let's see. We're gonna have to grab him. I'll grab him, dog.
Huh?
I'll
Well, I'll be darned. Joker made me drop my pliers.
Got him.
Yep. See if you can get him on a hook, Jason. If not, we'll have to cut it. Huh? I think we can get him.
There we go.
We got him. Here, before you release him, hold on. Good job, man. Good job. Turn him to the side again. Look at that gar. All right, fellas. And there he goes. Let's see what we got up next, Jason. I dropped my pliers.
Be all right.
Gummit.
Here.
Just pointing at it, Jason. What we got here? This is something that we're gonna throw back, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
But nice catch.
Yeah. About 5 pounds.
Check it out.
Oh yeah.
Check it out.
That's nice.
Jason, what you think about this?
That's a pretty fish. Pretty fish.
Huh?
That's a good one.
Pretty one, huh?
Yes, sir. Some more bait.
What y'all think? Throw him back, huh?
Yeah.
Throw him back. Hook is out.
Pretty fish.
Yep, going back in. Nice fish, Jason.
All right.
Let's see if there may be something else. I don't know. I'm feeling something. Now we do have a weight on the end of this thing. That's it.
That's it.
Sit on that one. All right, let me see that, Jason. All right, well, there you go. Nice gar. What was that, a channel? Another channel?
Like a channel.
Yeah. How much you think it weighed?
About 5-6 pounds.
Yeah, somewhere I guess around in there, 5-6 pounds. Beautiful gar though. That was trot line number 2. 2 trot lines tied together though. So we do have one more trot line we're about to trot line number 4. Cove number 3. Trot line number 4, cove number 3. Creeping on in. Good thing is they still had a lot of bait on them, so we don't have to really run down through there and bait.
That's good.
And we can take some of that bait we got, Jason, over there to the
bank.
shore with us, over there to the bank where we're gonna fish, and use it over there. Let's see. I don't feel nothing.
And that don't mean nothing.
Wait. Coming to you, wait, coming to you.
It's on over there.
Huh?
Yeah.
Look, Jason, look down to there. Nothing on, so we can release this one.
Alright.
Hey, everything's baited pretty good too.
Yeah.
At least for another couple hours, we can go to the bank and fish. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
We're probably gonna cut these up and use them as bait. I'm the king of the world! Huh? Yeah, I'm Danny S4E. Something for everyone. Good day out on the water. More action coming your way. Take us in, Jason.